Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need owner or staff access and a phone with an Authenticator app or SMS. Open Shopify, go to Settings, then Users and Permissions, and find two-step authentication. Once there, choose whether to use an Authenticator app for stronger protection versus SMS as a backup. Start the setup now by clicking Enable. The system will prompt you to scan a QR code or receive a code by text. Follow prompts to create your first second-factor method. Once done scanning the QR with your Authenticator app, you enter the 6-digit code Shopify requests. This proves the app is synced to your store. Make sure to copy or download the backup codes Shopify provides. Store them securely offline. If you prefer SMS recovery, add and verify a phone number now. Also consider registering a second authenticator device. This prevents lockout if your primary phone is lost. These steps reduce friction while increasing account safety. To finish, sign out and test sign in to confirm two-step prompts appear and that your codes work. Make sure backup codes are stored offline and treat them like passwords. Use one only in emergencies. If you can't sign in, don't panic. Try your backup device or recovery code first. If those fail, contact Shopify support and be ready to verify identity. This is the fastest recovery route. One troubleshooting tip: if codes fail, check device time sync. Incorrect time breaks authenticator codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.